Hello everyone. So our topic for today is chapter number 8, industries. So if you see, there are pictures given onto page number 52, figure 8.1, right? There are industries का picture given. If you see the second one, अंदर का industry कैसा दिखता है, all the machines are given. If you see sixth one, there are outside view of industry. Then if you see first and fifth one, it is like a raw structure कि कैसे raw material लेके फिर they make it. फिर again fourth one is like again a machine का photo, and third one is the processing done. Okay, so all of these are picture of photos. So in the figure 8.1, the sequence of two industrial process have been given. Arrange the pictures in proper sequence and write the sequential number. So which industries are they, which raw material is being used, ये सारे question का answer we will get once we understand geographical explanation. The process of converting the available raw material into finished product is done by factories, right? कि जो raw material available होता है and then the finished product which we see. Okay, so this conversion is done into factories. The finished product is durable, more useful, and has an added value. Industries or manufacturing units provide secondary occupation. Due to availability of resources, development of science and technology, and other favorable conditions, there is development of industries and a boost to industrialization, right? हमारे industries क्यों बढ़ते जा रहे हैं? Because we have the resources available with us, we have those technology with us, we have those equipments with us, and that is why we are developing in the field of industries. They help in speeding up the economic development of humans, and it also helps in achieving the economic development of a country, right? That they are since industries are growing, the economic development is growing, right? Because there is much of production of equipments. कोई भी equipment ले लो या कोई भी material ले लो, अगर industry ज़्यादा है तो उसका production ज़्यादा होता है, and then the trading is more, and that is how it leads to the economic development of our country, and that is why development of our country takes place economically also, as well as normally in normal ways also, right? Now let us come to the right side. Factor affecting the location of an industry, कि एक industry का location होता है तो उसको कौन कौन से factors affect करते हैं. Okay, so if you see, taking into account the above factors, note in different colors the favorable factors. Okay, so there are three industries which are given to you, like iron and steel, textile and sugar, and इनके according आपको कौन कौन सा लगता है ऊपर factors है जो उनको affect करते हैं. So if you talk about iron and steel, so agriculture produce चाहिए रहेगा क्या उसको, labor तो चाहिए ही होगा, water supply, market would be necessary factor, like do you require market nearby, do you require minerals nearby. So you have to think कि कौन कौन से industries के लिए which all factors affect. So for that you need to research a little bit. Okay, so this part would be your homework. You need to understand that which factory requires which factors. Okay, now next part, geographical explanation. In any given area, the development of industries is dependent on several factors such as the availability of raw material, water, labor, transport, capital, market, etc. As per the availability of these factors, specific industries develop, right? तो हम लोग ने ऊपर ही देखा that factories depend on various factors, कि वहाँ पे labor work है या नहीं, वहाँ पे अगर कोई there is no one to help, okay, there is no one to work in the industry, then there is no use, right? You alone cannot handle everything. Then availability of raw material, कि raw material, suppose the raw material is like way far away and the industry is way far away, then again the transport issue is there, right? So all of these things have to be considered, कि raw material नज़दीकी available है क्या, market नज़दीक है क्या, do you have that proper amount of money. So capital मतलब क्या, money होता है, that do you have that much amount of money, फिर transport facility है या नहीं. So all of these factors, they play a very important role when you talk about industries or factories. Because of the unequal distribution of these factors, industrial development does not take place at the same place at all places. Some regions are suitable for the development of industries, while in other regions only particular industries develop. Dense forest and dense areas are not conducive to industrial development, right? कि जो सारे फैक्टर्स, अभी ये सारे फैक्टर्स है, मार्केट हो गया, ट्रांसपोर्ट हो गया, कैपिटल, वाटर, रॉ मटेरियल, लेबर, ये सारे जहाँ पे इक्वल अमाउंट में अवेलेबल होता है ना, सो द इंडस्ट्रीज एट दैट प्लेसेस आर वेल डेवलप्ड, ओके. बट जहाँ पे ये कम होता है, अभी समझो लेबर ज़्यादा है बट ट्रांसपोर्ट कम है या कैपिटल कम है, सो यू नो वेर दिस फैक्टर्स दे फ्लक्चुएट, वहाँ पे इंडस्ट्रीज़ का डेवलपमेंट उतना अच्छे से नहीं होता है जितना जहाँ पे सब अवेलेबल है वहाँ पे जितना होता है वैसे, ओके. सो द रीजन हु हैव लाइक who have all of these factor in a proper amount, the industries का development वहाँ पे अच्छे से होता है. So that's what they are trying to say, that the dense forest and dense areas, कि जो dense forest है, you know, नियर द फॉरेस्ट और नियर द लोकल रीजन्स, एकदम फॉरेस्ट एरियाज़ के वहाँ पे इंडस्ट्रीज़ का ग्रोथ उतना अच्छे से नहीं होता. वाई? बिकॉज द अवेबिलिटी ऑफ वुड एंड रॉ मटेरियल इज़ फाइन, बट देन फिर लेबर होना चाहिए वहाँ पे, मार्केट होना चाहिए, तो वो सारे फैक्टर्स फ्लक्चुएट होते हैं. दैट इज़ वाई द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ इंडस्ट्रीज इज़ नॉट दैट मच एट दैट पर्टिकुलर एरिया. फाइन. नाउ दे हैव गिवन यू अ मैप. सी वहाँ पे ऊपर 8.2 पे मैप के इंडेक्स दिया है. सो द ब्लैक वन इज आयरन कोर इंडस्ट्री, द ग्रे वन इज मैंगनीज, द स्टार इन पिंक इज लाइमस्टोन, again the black with cloud is coal, and the pink one is iron and coal industry, right? Now they have given you certain questions and you need to answer it. So the first question is name the industry at जमशेदपुर. तो जमशेदपुर के वहाँ पे देखो आपको 3 इंडस्ट्री दिखता है. एक पिंक वाला है जो आयरन एंड स्टील है, अगेन यू गेट दैट ब्लैक वन विच इज़ आयरन एंड कोल, एंड देन यू गेट द पिंक वन which is iron and steel industry, okay. So these 3 industries are there near Jamshedpur. Which raw material is required for this industry? तो again जैसे अब आप ऊपर वाले में होमवर्क करोगे तो you'll find out कि कौन कौन से इंडस्ट्री में what all raw material is required. Now see iron ore. So if you take iron ore, so you will need minerals, you need raw materials, you need capital. तो ये सारे factors तो common है, लेबर भी सब में common होगा, right? So अंडरस्टैंड कि कौन कौन से सब में कॉमन होते हैं वैसे, एंड ट्राई टू आंसर द क्वेश्चंस. व्हाई इज कोल यूज्ड इन दिस इंडस्ट्री? तो लोकेशन ऑफ आयरन एंड स्टील इंडस्ट्री, ओके. तो सी दे आर आस्किंग यू अगेन व्हाई इज कोल यूज्ड इन दिस इंडस्ट्री. तो कोल आपको क्यों लगता है कि ये इंडस्ट्री में, सो यू कैन से द अवेबिलिटी ऑफ मिनरल रिसोर्सेज एट दैट प्लेस माइट बी मोर, यू नो. तो वैसे समझ के आंसर लिखना कि वाई डू यू फील. तो वंस यू ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट कि विच ऑल रॉ मटेरियल आर रिक्वायर्ड, उसमें आपको ये सारे आंसर मिल जाएंगे, ओके. Next, while looking for answers to the above question, you must have realized that for localization of iron and steel industry, the most important factor is the availability of raw material and energy, both of which are available around Jamshedpur. बराबर के टाइटल क्या था? 8.2 लोकेशन ऑफ आयरन एंड स्टील इंडस्ट्री. कि जब भी हम लोग को जिधर भी आयरन एंड स्टील इंडस्ट्री चाहिए, मेन तो क्या है, एज आई सेड कि अवेबिलिटी ऑफ रॉ मटेरियल होना चाहिए, राइट. रॉ मटेरियल उधर अवेलेबल होना चाहिए, and also energy should be available, and both of them is available near Jamshedpur, and that is why industry वहाँ पे बनाया है. तो as we discussed earlier कि कौन कौन से factors पे depend होता है, जहाँ पे जो available ज़्यादा होता है वहाँ पे वो factory का development is more. The raw material is heavy and bulk, and it is uneconomical to transport it to a factory far away. Hence it is favorable to establish this industry in the area where the raw material is available. As I said कि raw material कहीं पे दूर available है, and हमारी industry कहीं पे दूर है, तो transport का problem होता है, and that is why they believe that अगर raw material जहाँ पे है वहाँ पे industry बना ले तो transport का खर्चा बच जाता है. This is the reason for the establishment of iron and steel at Jamshedpur. So the answer of your थर्ड और फोर्थ क्वेश्चन, ओके, क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ इंडस्ट्रीज। नाउ अब तक हम लोग ने इंडस्ट्री देखा, उसके कौन कौन से फैक्टर्स होते हैं, कौन कौन से फैक्टर अफेक्ट करता है वो देखा. नाउ वी विल सी व्हाट आर द टाइप्स ऑफ इंडस्ट्री. ओके, सो द फर्स्ट वन इज स्मॉल इंडस्ट्री. स्मॉल इंडस्ट्री मतलब क्या होता है, लार्ज मतलब क्या होता है, मतलब हेवी मतलब क्या होता है, मीडियम क्या होता है, वो हम लोग आगे आगे देखते हैं. सो स्मॉल इज मेकिंग ऑफ अर्दन पॉट्स और बेकरी प्रोडक्ट्स एक्सेट्रा. सो द वन विच इज़ कमर्शियल वे में जो एक या दो लोग चला सके, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड अ स्मॉल इंडस्ट्री. मीडियम इज fruit processing industry or jaggery making, and the large one is heavy one is cement, sugar, iron and steel industry. Which industries could be profitable set up in your surrounding area or locality? So again you need to think कि मेरे एरिया में कौन सा फैक्टर ज़्यादा अवेलेबल है and which industry would be suitable to be located at my place. Okay, obtain information about the following and you need to write it down, that which industry you think in your obtain information about any one industry in your locality. Okay, so in your locality you need to find out any one industry and you need to give information कि कौन सी industry है, उनके owner कौन है, that how many people are working, like how, what is the labor work, what is the raw material rules, what are the steps. You can try this if you have any industry close to you. Try to get information, you will find it interesting. So all these three pictures above are related to the concept of industries, but the nature of their work is different. In this industry, raw material, labor force, capital, land, etc. are all essential factors. As per the nature of work, industries can be classified. So if you see, there are three pictures given, right? Use your brain power. एक में science and technology, identify the industry shown in the picture state, and then there is fish car industry, and then there is production of milk sort of thing, right? So they are saying that there are, like, these are the basic factors. Material है, labor force है, land है, availability of resources है, कैपिटल है, ये सारे एक बेसिक फैक्टर्स है कि एक इंडस्ट्री बनाने के लिए ये सारा फैक्टर, तो ये सारे चीज़ें कंसिडर करना ज़रूरी ही है. वैसा very often the finished product from one industry is used as a raw material in another industry. Example, sugar produced in the sugar factory is used as a sweetener, a raw material in the manufacture of products such as biscuits, jams and jellies, right? तो अभी हम लोग ने देखा कि एक रॉ मटेरियल को फिनिश प्रोडक्ट में कौन कन्वर्ट करता है, इंडस्ट्री. बट क्या होता है स्टूडेंट के, मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम द फिनिश प्रोडक्ट इज अगेन यूज्ड एज अ रॉ प्रोडक्ट इन सम अदर इंडस्ट्रीज. तो यहाँ पे एग्जांपल दिया है कि जो शुगर फैक्ट्री में जो शुगर बन के आता है ना, फाइनल प्रोडक्ट, वही रॉ मटेरियल किस में यूज़ किया जाता है, जो फैक्ट्री में जैगरी जो फैक्ट्री में बिस्किट्स या जैम्स बनाए जाते हैं, तो वो फैक्ट्री में बिस्किट या जैम फाइनल प्रोडक्ट होगा. बराबर देखो, शुगर के फैक्ट्री में रॉ शुगर वुड बी लाइक परफेक्ट छोटू पार्टिकल्स ऑफ शुगर वुड बी द रॉ मटेरियल, एंड द फिनिश प्रोडक्ट ऑफ शुगर, हाँ, वो फिनिश प्रोडक्ट होगा. नाउ दिस फिनिश प्रोडक्ट इज अगेन यूज्ड एज अ रॉ मटेरियल किसमें, into the factories of biscuits and jams. Okay, तो वैसे ही वो लोग बोल रहे हैं कि कोई में फिनिश प्रोडक्ट रॉ मटेरियल की तरह यूज़ होता है. Similarly, iron rods are used as raw material in the engineering industry in the manufacture of steel and furniture. Similarly, जो इंडस्ट्री फाइनल प्रोडक्ट में आयरन रॉड बनाता है, वही कई इंडस्ट्रीज उसको एज अ रॉ प्रोडक्ट यूज़ करता है. Agro-based industries. Now, what are agro-based industries? Let us see. India is a predominantly agrarian country. In India, a variety of agriculture product is available. Different type of agro-based industries have come up. In addition to this, industries processing agriculture products have also developed. These include the dairy industry, fruit processing, food processing, jaggery making, etc. Industry dependent on agriculture products have been established everywhere. There has also been development of heavy industries like textile and sugars. तो basically क्या हो गया, we all know that India is an agriculture country, okay, and there are times when you need agriculture products, right? Industries which are related to agriculture products. So now there have been establishment of many such industries which produce agriculture products. Okay, so it includes jaggery making, or fruit processing, or food processing, और डेयरी इंडस्ट्री. वैसे तो ये सारे जो चीज़ें बनते हैं जहाँ पे, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज एग्रो बेस्ड इंडस्ट्रीज. ओके, सो विच बेसिकली हेल्प्स यू इन द products which are related to agriculture. Industrial development. The establishment of industries and industrial development have an important role in the economic development of a country, right? कि इंडिया को या कोई भी कंट्री को इकोनॉमिक डेवलप करने के लिए द इंडस्ट्रीज प्ले अ वेरी मच इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल, राइट? बिकॉज प्रोडक्ट्स बनते हैं वहाँ पे, फिर फाइनल प्रोडक्ट आता है, देन देर इज़ trade between different countries. So industries play a very important role. The development is essential for improving the standard of living and increasing the per capita income of the citizen, right? That एक तो ये भी हो जाता है कि standard of living increases, right? Once you start getting final products, fresh products, you tend to be happy and you are happy to consume it. And it also increase the per capita of citizen. Now what is that? We will see. That is our next topic. The citizen of a country gets employment opportunities and their lifestyle improves, right? That many people, they get the employment opportunities. कैसे? They get to work into industries, and that is how employment opportunities बढ़ता है. And also our lifestyle improves. The per capita income of the country goes up, and there is increase in the export of finished product, as I was saying earlier. Then we start trading. This result in an increase in the foreign exchange reserves. For all this reason, it is necessary to give a fillip to industrialization in a country. The government established industrial estates to boost industrial development and increase the employment opportunity in a region. So even government plays an important role. They establish industrial estates. Okay, so that is how they can, increase the industrial development. At the same time, opportunity for employment also increases. Industries have an important role in the economic development of a country. Hence, all countries take special efforts for promoting industrial development, right? कि हर एक country special effort लेता है. Why? Because वो country का economic development बढ़ता है. These states are given concessional rates for electricity, water and taxes. Now we will see what is MIDC. MIDC is Maharashtra Industrial Development Corporation. On 1st of August 1962 in Maharashtra, the state government established Maharashtra Industrial Development Corporation, and through it sets up industries in every district of the state. कि उनके थ्रू हर एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट या हर एक स्टेट में इंडस्ट्रीज बनाई गई थी. Through this, the decentralization of industry is expected throughout the state. Like Maharashtra, other states have also established such corporations. In this, industrial estates were often auxiliary industries have been established. In addition, employment opportunities have been made available to local people. In this industrial estates, various facility necessary for industries have been made available. So what was the main purpose of these कॉरपोरेशन के? वो बेसिकली क्या दिखता था कि लोगों को एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल रहा है, लोग इसमें अच्छे से पार्ट ले रहे हैं, वेरियस फैसिलिटी ये इंडस्ट्री प्रोवाइड कर रही है, सो दैट इट इज़ बेनिफिशियल टू द लोकल पीपल आउट देयर. ओके, geographical explanation. There are many advantages of industrial development. There are also some disadvantages. Because of industrialization, the youth in an area gets employment, right? कि फर्स्ट तो एडवांटेज क्या हो गया कि देर इज जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज. इट ऑल्सो हेल्प्स इन इंक्रीजिंग द पर कैपिटा इनकम. सो दिस वुड बी द सेकेंड ऑप्शन, दैट पर कैपिटा इनकम मतलब इट हेल्प्स इन द growth of economic development of country. For the economic development of an agrarian country, it is necessary to have industries which is based on agriculture products, right? कि अगर agriculture based country है तो कोई ऐसा industry भी होना चाहिए जो agriculture based products बनाए, so that it becomes easy. Such industries not only result in agriculture development but also the economic development of our country. The standard of living of people also rises. बराबर कि once the what do you say, the final product is revealed, or once the final product is published, so you know there are many factors which affects, like एक lifestyle लोगों का improve हो जाता है. Geographical explanation. Information technology is an important engineering branch in today's world, right? Today, if you have any knowledge regarding engineering, so IT, comms, these are all the branches. So IT is one of the famous one, information technology. In this branch, work is carried out by computers. In this industry, India has made rapid progress. The availability of skilled manpower is the most important reason for this. कि ये फील्ड में इंडिया का ग्रोथ बहुत अच्छे से रहा है. एंड वाई? बिकॉज ऑफ मैन पावर. ओके, सो अगेन यहाँ पे कैसे लेबर वाला फैक्टर आ जाता है. अगर आप फैक्ट्री वाले एक्सप्लेनेशन को कंसिडर करते हो तो यहाँ पे वही फैक्ट्री मतलब लेबर वाला जो हम लोग डिस्कस कर रहे थे वही यहाँ पे आ जाता है. In this industry, searching for technical information, obtaining, analyzing and compiling it, presenting it graphically and providing it as per the requirement is the nature of work, right? And it's all about coding. So you need to get information, you need to analyze it, usko graphical way mein show karna hai, and all of these things are done in IT field. All this information is obtained from the internet on computers, mobiles and other devices. The creation or development of special software on this handsets is another important component of industry. Okay, कि क्या करते हैं ये सारे information को they download it and then they show it as per the requirement. So the development of special software on this handset is another important component. Okay, regarding information it's true, but again the main work of them is to create certain softwares which are helpful for people. Today there is an increase in the use of computers and technology. There is a great variety in the types of information collected and how it is used all over the world. So if you see this is the field which will keep on growing in future, right? बिकॉज इट इज़ रिलेटेड टू टेक्नोलॉजी, राइट? कि आज अगर हम लोग 3G या 4G यूज़ कर रहे तो टुमारो वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू मूव बैक टू उससे कम, उससे ज़्यादा में ही हम लोग जाएंगे, राइट? सो दिस इज़ अ फील्ड विच विल कीप इंक्रीजिंग और विच विल कीप इम्प्रूविंग एज पर द डे goes on. Okay, so coming towards the next part, which is corporate social responsibility. When an industrialist or a group of industry work for the betterment of society and for the conservation of environment, it is known as CSR, which is corporate social responsibility. Okay, so there are a group of people who are working together, making certain ideas so that there is more of development for people. So this is called as corporate social responsibility. Showing responsibility to society by helping needy people or needy organization is an important task. With this objective, when an industry or a group of industry have made a profit of over 5 crores, they are expected to spend at least 2% of their profits on act benefiting the society. For this, their assistance in the area below is expected. The provision of education facilities, the provision of facilities related to health, the development of village or a region, establishing centers for people like environmental development centers, etc. Okay, so क्या बताया गया है यहाँ पे, that if your industry is doing good and you have made a profit of around 5 crores, तो उसमें से जो 2% होगा ना, you need to spend in all of these area. उसमें ये सारे area में आप उसका use कर सकते हो. Then you can use it for education facilities, or if there are facilities which are related to health purpose, उसमें आप use कर सकते हो. और इफ़ देर इज़ एनी फैसिलिटी विच इज़ यूज फॉर द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ अ रीजन, उसमें आप यूज़ कर सकते हो. सो इन ऑल ऑफ such places you can use this 2% of your profit. Okay, there is a tax rebate on the amount spent by industry or group of industries on various schemes under corporate social responsibility. Okay, कि एक टैक्स एक पर्टिकुलर अमाउंट होता है कि जितना आप एक इंडस्ट्री पे या किसी पे भी खर्च कर रहे हो अंडर द नेम ऑफ दिस कॉर्पोरेट सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, सो देर इज अ लाइन ऑफ टैक्स गिवन टू इट. Okay, now give it a try. Important information technology centers are called IT hubs, right? Find out with the help of internet in which cities such hubs have been developed. So IT hubs कौन से industries में है वो आपको find करना है. Okay, and mark them on the outline. Okay, you just need to find out. Marking is still fine, but you need to find out IT hubs कहाँ पे है. One of them is located in Mumbai as well, so you can find. Use your brain power. Which type of industries can stem the flow of people towards urban areas? ये कौन सी ऐसी industries है which can make people come towards urban areas? And where is it necessary to establish this industry? So if you feel you have to establish any industry in urban area, which industry it would be? Again, if you think of raw material, so main आपका जो first homework है ना, that would only help you to find out answers to all of these questions, because once you find out which raw material is available at our place, which raw material is required for other industry, then you will get a clear idea of what I am talking about. Water literacy, the need of an hour. Water is a basic necessity in human life. Due to increasing population, changing climatic condition, irregular rainfall, etc., many countries in recent times are facing problem of acute water shortage, right? That there are many industries, or there are many countries, many particular states which are facing the problem of water shortage. India also will be facing a problem of acute water shortage in near future. This has come to light through a survey of water industries. Water industries के through, they did a survey, and जिसमें they have which has proved that India also in future will have the problem of water. India is a country blessed with ample natural resources. The river of India are rain-fed. It is essential to check the flow of water and use it judicially, right? That once we have things available to us, that doesn't mean that we use it in a wrong way. We need to use it in a proper way. Small check dams, canals, recharging our underground reservoirs, reusing water, reducing water pollution, treating wastewater from industry, and reusing them all, or all the methods of proper water management. Okay, so they have given us the ways to which we can manage water properly. So there are small check dams which we can make. We can reuse water. We can treat the wastewater in particular way. So that is how, if you keep certain ideas, or if you make certain ideas through which you can reuse, or through which you can basically save water, then it would be great. Give it a try. One part is left. While using water for our personal needs, we need to take care not to waste water and to use minimum possible water. Okay, कि हमारे वक्त भी अगर if you are trying, there are many basic factors जहाँ पे हम लोग like if you are just washing your face also, that till the time you will apply your soap onto your face or the face wash onto your face, do not keep the tap on. So there are basic such things in our day to day life, अगर हम लोग उसमें भी थोड़ा सा ध्यान दे दे, then water could be saved. Even the small steps will help in overcoming the problems of water shortage. Many a time people say अरे मैं कर लूँगा, बाकी सब तो नहीं कर रहे ना. But if you only start, then it's good. Like, okay, if one person is also starting, it's way better. Public awareness on water management is the need of hour. Now if you see this sign, आपको पता है what does this logo mean? This is made in India. Made in India का logo है. The concept which was introduced by Narendra Modi उन्होंने ये स्टार्ट किया था, राइट? डू यू गाइज रिमेंबर? ये आपको पता है? एनी आइडिया? या इट वाज अ गवर्नमेंट प्रोग्राम, राइट? मेक इन इंडिया, सबको आइडिया है. सो दिस वाज अ मेक इन इंडिया कॉन्सेप्ट विच वाज प्रोग्राम विच वाज बीन established by Narendra Modi sir. What will be the benefit of this program? What is the correlation between? So this was started like 4 to 5 years ago. So I guess इसके लिए आपके बुक में published है. So यू कैन टाइट कि उनका मेन कॉन्सेप्ट क्या था, ये बेनिफिट क्या था उनका मेन प्रोग्राम का, व्हाट वाज द गोल ऑफ दिस प्रोग्राम. यू कैन गूगल इट. आपको अगर आप मेक इन इंडिया टाइप करोगे ना तो यू विल गेट टू नो. सो ट्राई फाइंडिंग के क्या सोच के मोदी सर ने ये स्टार्ट किया, व्हाट वाज हिज इंटेंशन. ये सब पढ़ो आप तो यू विल गेट द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. आई एम नॉट गिविंग यू द आंसर बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट यू ऑल टू know the information. If I keep giving all the answers then आप क्या ही करोगे ना. दैट इज़ वाई आई डोंट गिव आंसर्स. आई वॉन्ट यू ऑल टू सर्च सो दैट एटलीस्ट यू ऑल्सो कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट अ लिटिल टू दिस चैप्टर. ओके, जस्ट लर्निंग एंड गिविंग एग्जाम इज़ फाइन बट देर आर सर्टन कॉन्सेप्ट्स जो आपके मन में रह जाने चाहिए ना. इट्स नॉट जस्ट दैट डूइंग इट फॉर एग्जाम पर्पज बट for future also you should know information regarding particular thing, and that is why I believe that this would be a homework. You need to find out karo. Now every day you guys are using phone, right? तो कभी गेम खेलने से अच्छा सर्च कर लो ना, what was Make in India program, why was it established, what was the purpose behind it. Try to find out. So that is how we come towards the end of our chapter. Now the remaining part is exercise question. That again would be your homework. So yeah guys, that was it for today's session. We'll see you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye and take care. Bye.